Good day all, welcome to Yours Literature Lee. In this video, we are going to see the summary for a one-act play written by Saki, The Death Trap. First, let's see Saki's author intro. Saki lived between 1870 to 1916. His real name was Hector Hugh Munro. He is a British writer. He first started as a journalist. His stories are well known for its funny and witty nature. Let's see some of his famous works. The Interlopers, The Toys of Peace, The Storyteller, The Open Window, The Unrescue, Esme, Tobamure, The Bull. Let's see the characters in this play. Dimitri, Reigning Prince of Kedaria, Dr. Stronitz, Colonel Girnitsa, Major Wantif, Captain Schultz. Let's see the summary. The play takes place in an antechamber in Prince Dimitri's castle in Zen. The antechamber is sparsely furnished, with a table in center and another table with wine bottle and goblets and chairs near the window, and a stove in the corner of the room. The scene opens with Girnitsa, Wantif, and Schultz planning to assassinate the prince. They belong to Kranitsky regiment who are loyal to Prince Kart, who is rival to Prince Dimitri. They plan to murder Prince Dimitri in cold blood and they are very excited to do it. While Schultz says that he will kill the prince with his revolver, Kirnitsa says the revolver is not his favorite weapon, he will kill the prince with his sword. They wish they could kill a grown man rather than this boy, but they also decide that a grown man would be married and would have kids. They would rather murder a boy than a whole family. They also wish they don't have to kill him, let the nature or heaven do their dirty work. While they are discussing so, Prince Dimitri enters the antechamber and orders them to get out. While he is alone, he hears a knock and enters Dr. Stronitz, his physician and a loyal friend. Dr. Stronitz expresses his difficulty in meeting the prince. His revolver has been taken from him. He had to say that prince had a medical checkup to visit the prince. Prince Dimitri says that even his weapons were taken from him on the pretext of cleaning. Prince says that he is trapped in his own castle. Since he came to the throne as a boy of 14 3 years ago, he has been safeguarded against these kind of mishaps. He knows that his three guards are going to kill him the moment the Andreev regiment leaves the camp. Doctor urges him to escape, but the prince rejects the idea, saying that he is the last of his line. Prince Karl won't let him slip through his fingers so easily. There are three regiments in his army: Krenitsky Regiment, Andreev Regiment, Lonyadi Regiment. While Andreev and Lonyadi Regiment are loyal to Prince Dmitri, Krenitsky Regiment is loyal to Prince Karl. Lonyadi Regiment is not in the town to safeguard their prince. They might arrive an hour or later, but Prince might be killed within that hour. Prince Dmitri passionately says that he hates death. He wanted to live so much. Life is so fascinating when one is young and he has tasted only a little of his life. He looks out of the window and sees mountain and forest. He sees Grovitz, where he spent last autumn, and beyond that is Vienna. He says he had been to Vienna only once in his life and it is a magical city to him. And there are so many such cities in the world and he wants to visit them all. Today he is alive and talking to Dr. Stronitz. But tomorrow, a servant may wipe his blood off this floor. Doctor suggests a poison so potent that it kills a man in an instant, but Prince rejects it. They hear Andreev regiment leaving the castle, and they hear his guards coming towards his room. Doctor has a sudden plan and asks the prince to take off his tunic, and starts a medical checkup for the prince. When those guards arrive, they ask the doctor to leave as they have an urgent business to discuss with the prince. Doctor says that his business is more grave, and upon checking the prince's health, the prince is going to die in 6 days because of a heart disease. The guards, now relieved that they don't need to do this job as the prince is going to die of disease soon, leave the room. After they went out of the room, the prince jumps up happily, saying that the Lonyadi regiment will arrive to safeguard him. But the doctor says whatever he told was the truth. Before the guards came, he actually conducted a medical checkup, and the prince has a deadly disease and he is going to die within the 6 days. Heartbroken by this, Prince decides to commit suicide by consuming the poison rather than waiting for his death. Doctor gives him the vial and says only 4 to 5 drops is enough and leaves. The prince has a sudden idea. He mixes the whole vial of poison into the wine bottle and calls his god. He says that all feud in the family can stop now as he is going to die. He asks them to drink with him for the prince calm. After the gods had drunk their wine, he says that he had killed them with the poison in the wine. The gods die one by one. The prince at last says that he never thought that the death could be so amusing and dies. The three gods thought that they laid a death trap for the prince using his defenselessness, but the prince, with his presence of mind and cleverness, laid them the trap and the gods fell for it. If you like this video, please like, share, and comment. And for more such videos, please subscribe to our channel, Yours Literaturely. Thank you.